Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Tunes, and in this video we are going to understand the concept of AVL tree to make our BST as a height balance tree. AVL tree में तुमने बुक्स में या फिर अदर वीडियोस में देखा होगा कि देयर आर 4 रोटेशन, LL रोटेशन, RR रोटेशन. समझ लो यहाँ पे पुली है एंड वी आर मेकिंग ट्री ऑन LL रोटेशन. नहीं, सिंपल फॉर्मूला है या फिर सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट है. ओके, बिकॉज यू नो BST, so you need to check first of all for balance factor. What is balance factor? Is nothing but the difference between left subtree and right subtree's height. If balance factor is -1, 0 and 1, then it's okay. But if it's greater than or less than those values, then we need to balance that particular node. And how we can balance that particular node? We need to check its subtree. If subtree is skewed tree, skewed मतलब क्या? For example, all the nodes are on the left hand side. So this is called as left skewed tree. For this particular tree, all the nodes on right hand side, then this is called as right skewed tree. And these two trees are not skewed tree. But if your subtree is skewed tree, तो क्या करता है? Middle node becomes your root node. हर बार तुम्हें 3 नोड को ही बैलेंस करना है, not more than that. Okay, so your middle node becomes root node. Now consider this tree. In this tree, start balancing the BST from highest level. Highest level is nothing but the level on which leaf nodes are present. So for this particular node, what is the balance factor? No left subtree, no right subtree, so balance factor is 0. That's allowed. So this is my balance node. For this particular node, what is the difference? Difference between left subtree is 1, right subtree is 0. So balance factor is 1. It's allowed. So this node is balanced. For this particular node, its left subtree is 2, right subtree is 0. So balance factor equals to 2, which is not allowed. So I need to manage this tree. Okay, from this particular node, I need to consider its subtree. Subtree भी मुझे इतना कंसिडर करना, सपोज यहाँ पे और नोड्स रहते हैं, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 9, 8, नहीं, मैं सिर्फ 3 ही नोड कंसिडर करूंगा. ठीक है, सो आई नीड टू कंसिडर दिस सबट्री. नाउ आई विल चेक, इज इट अ स्क्यूड ट्री? यस, इट्स अ स्क्यूड ट्री. स्क्यूड ट्री तो करना है, तो क्या करना है? मिडल नोड बिकम्स माई रूट नोड. यस, सो माई मिडल नोड दैट इज 20 becomes my root node. Now if 20 is my root node, I need to arrange the nodes 10 and 30. We know BST, in which left subtree is less than root node and right subtree is greater than root node. Okay, I got my height balance tree. Simple. Okay, similarly यहाँ पे भी this one is my skewed tree. Yes, so middle node becomes my root node and then arrange the remaining nodes 10 and 30. I got the height balance tree. What if middle node is, or what if the subtree is not skewed tree? तो क्या करना है? Make the leaf node becomes the root node. Now consider this particular tree. Now this is balance node, this is balance node, this is imbalance node. Okay, so I need to make leaf node my root node. So who is my leaf node? 20. So I will make it as root node and then arrange the other two nodes. So 10 on left hand side, 30 on right hand side. Similarly for this particular tree, leaf node is 20. I make it as a root node and I got the balanced tree. इतना ही इजी सा कंसेप्ट है. बस तुम्हें ये भूल जाना है कि कोई रोटेशंस होते हैं, LL रोटेशन, RR रोटेशन, LR रोटेशन, RL, भूल जाओ. Just focus on this particular thing. Now, what if the tree contains certain child node? For example, this is my 10's left child, this is 10's right child, this is 20's right child and this is 30's right child. ऐसा रहा तो क्या करेंगे? So सबसे पहले this is my skewed tree, so I'll make middle node as root node. Guys, focus very 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 carefully, very carefully. First of all, I'm not considering these child nodes. This 30 is imbalanced because of 20 and 10. Okay, there is no role of other child node. Okay, so I'll make middle node as a root node. So 20 is my root node. Done. On its right hand side 30, on its left hand side 10. Now I start arranging the childrens. So left and right children of 10 becomes as it is. So this is 10's left, this is 10's right. 30 का जो भी राइट चाइल्ड होगा वो भी एज इट इज रहेगा, 30's राइट चाइल्ड. प्रॉब्लम जाएगा इसका मुझे क्या करना है? बिकॉज 20 is right child. Now right child of 20 is 30. But 20 is right child. It is greater than 20, but it is less than 30. Got the concept of BST? It's the concept of BST. 20 is right child is greater than 20 and less than 30. So this should be on this side. So 20 is right child. That's it. That's it. Similarly for this particular tree. Done? Now consider this particular tree. Now for this particular tree, consider this is 30's right child, this is 10's left child and 20's left child and 20 ka right child. Done. Now it is not skewed tree. So 20 becomes my root node. So 20 is my root node because it's a leaf node, because it is not skewed tree. On its left hand side 10, on its right hand side 30. So जो imbalance node हुआ था 30, now the tree become balanced and I need to take care of this other children node. Now 30's right child on the 30's right hand side. That's it. 10's left child, 10's left hand side. That's fine. प्रॉब्लम आएगा 20 का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड और 20 का राइट चाइल्ड का क्या करना है, बिकॉज देर इज नो पोजिशन, लेफ्ट एंड राइट पोजिशन इज ऑक्यूपाइड and it's a binary tree. I can't make more than 2 children. So 20 is left hand child. 20 is on the left side of 20 but right side of 10. Left side of 20 but the right side of 10. So 20's left child is here. ओके कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं रखना है. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि ये जगह भी ऑक्यूपाइड रहेगी, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. ठीक है. 20 is right hand side. 20's right child is greater than 20 but less than 30. Okay, so it is greater than 20 but less than 30. So 20's right child. ये जगह भी हमेशा खाली ही मिलेगी तुम्हें और यहाँ पे तुम्हें ये 2 चिल्ड्रंस को डालना है. That's it guys. इतना ही सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट था. एंड अगर यकीन नहीं हो रहा, लेट्स सॉल्व अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रॉब्लम विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. अब क्वेश्चन क्या है, क्रिएट द BST in this particular sequence of nodes. Okay, and we need to make height balance subtree. Done. So सबसे पहले कौन आएगा, A. A is my root node. Done. Then A is address. Then Z. Z is greater than A alphabetically. So Z is on right hand side. Now both is balancing. Trees is balanced. Then B. B is on left. B greater than A but less than Z. B. Now node B is balanced, Z is balanced but A is not balanced. Okay, because it's of course height of right subtree is 2 and height of left subtree is 0, so it's not allowed. So I need to make it balance. How can I balance? Is it my skewed tree? No. तो क्या करना है मुझे, make the leaf node as root node. Who is leaf node? B. So B is my root node and then arrange remaining 2 nodes. A less than B on left hand side, Z greater than B right hand side. So guys, this is so simple thing. So this is my imbalanced tree. Now this is my balanced tree. Now B हो गया, अभी कौन, Y. Y greater than B but less than Z. So Y is on this side. Again check. This node is balanced, yes. This one is balanced, yes. This one is balanced, yes. B 1 2. Difference is left subtree minus right subtree, that is -1. It is allowed. So up to Y it is balanced. Now try for C. C greater than B. C less than Z. C less than Y. So C is on this side. अभी check करो. This node is balanced. This one is balanced. Z is it balanced? No. Left subtree 2, right subtree 0. I need to start from leaf node. Okay, that is from highest level. So I need to manage this particular tree. Okay, directly मुझे B वगैरह को manage नहीं करना है. Start from highest level. That is bottom up. So for this particular tree, is it skewed tree? Yes. Skewed tree है तो क्या? Make a middle node as root node. So Y is my root node. So this should be like this. Y is my root node and accordingly I need to manage C and Z. So this subtree becomes like this. Okay, so now put this concept over here. So now y is my root node of this subtree, c is on left hand side, and z is on right hand side. After this, check the balancing factor of b. b का balancing factor कितना है? 1 and height of this tree is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, that's allowed. So now my tree is balanced after inserting node C. Now I hope you got the point and simplicity of this particular approach. Okay, so now let's solve. So yeah, this was my balance. Now let's insert x. X greater than b, x less than y, x greater than c. So x आ गया यहाँ पे. So this node is balanced. Okay, this node is balanced because left subtree is 0, right subtree is 1, minus 1 allowed. This node is balanced. This particular node, left subtree 2, right subtree 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 allowed है. So this is balanced. This node is balanced. And this one, left subtree 1. Okay. And right subtree, height कितना आएगा? 1, 2, 3. So 1 minus 3, that is nothing but minus 2 and it is not allowed. So I need to balance this particular node. और ये नोड इम्बैलेंस किसके वजह से हुआ है? फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्री. ओके, डोंट कंसिडर दैट ये पूरा ऐसा नहीं कंसिडर करना है मुझे सिर्फ 3 ही नोड कंसिडर करना है. सो बी वाई जेड कंसिडर करना है क्या? नहीं. अगर बी वाई जेड रहता तो फाइन था, बट बी वाई सी एक्स के वजह से वो इम्बैलेंस हुआ है. सो आई नीड टू कंसिडर 3 नोड दैट B, Y and C. So is it my skewed tree, this B, Y, C? No. So what I need to do? I need to make leaf node for this particular tree as a root node. So मेरा root node कौन बन जाता है? Now see this very carefully. Root node is C. So if root node is C, if a tree contains B, Y and C, then on its left hand side there is B, on its right hand side there is Y. इतना कंफर्म है अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्गोरिदम. नाउ आई नीड टू मैनेज चिल्ड्रन. ए इज अ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ बी ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, सो ए ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दैट्स ओके. फिर कौन? एक्स इज अ राइट साइड ऑफ सी, राइट साइड ऑफ सी बट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ वाई. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? एक्स राइट साइड ऑफ सी, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ वाई. एक्स राइट साइड ऑफ सी, लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ वाई. फाइन. बीएसटी आता है ना? जेड लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ वाई. Done. That's it. That's it. Now again check the balance factor. This node is balanced. This one is balanced. This one is balanced. 1 minus 1 0. So this one is balanced. This one is balanced. 1 minus 0 is 1. And C, is it balanced? 2 minus 2 0. Perfectly balanced. Done. So my tree will look like this. Okay. Now I hope you got the concept and get rid of that LL, RR, LR वगैरह rotation है. अब मुझे क्या करना है? Tree balance करनी है ना? That's it. And I know the concept of BST. Don't treat me like a 5th grade child. Okay. So my x, after x, this is my tree. Now D. D greater than C. D less than Y. D less than X. So D is on this side. After inserting D on this side, so Y 2 minus 1 is 1. So Y is balanced. Then A, B तो balance थे. C को check करना है. C left side 2, right side height is 1, 2, 3. 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1, that is allowed. So this tree is balanced after inserting node D. Now I need to insert node U. I hope अब तक के तुम्हें पता ही चल गया होगा. So let's insert node U. U greater than C, U less than Y, U less than X, U greater than D. So U is over here. Okay. Now which tree is imbalanced? This X node is imbalanced. This is balanced, this is balanced and this is imbalanced. So I need to balance this particular tree. Then is it skewed tree? No. तो क्या होगा? My leaf node becomes root node. ठीक है. So after this C will be as it is, B, A as it is, in fact Y also as it is, and for this particular tree my leaf node is root node because this is not skewed tree. So on left hand side root node is U and root node U बन गया. Now I need to manage these two child X and D. So U का on left hand side there is D, on right hand side there is X. क्यों? Because पता है this is BST. X is greater than U. Alphabetically जाओ पढ़ो. Okay, and D is less than U. This is why it is on left hand side. And Z, that is as it is. Okay, now check the balance factor. This is balance, this one is balance, this one is balance, this is balance, this 2 minus 1, 1, so Y is balance, this is balance, this is balance. C, 2 minus, what is the side? 1, 2, 3. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, so it is balance. Done. So after inserting U, this is my tree. Now I need to insert E. E greater than C. E less than Y less than U but greater than D. Now, who is going to imbalance? U. Is it imbalance? Because 2 minus 1, 1, that's allowed, so U is balance. Z to of course balance है Y. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, so Y is not balance. QY imbalance हुआ है because of its left subtree. Okay, so I don't focus on its right subtree. So on left hand side, I will take 3 nodes including Y, these nodes. Why I have not taken Y, U and X? Because अगर Y, U, X रहता तो वो Y balance था. Y imbalance किसके वजह से हुआ है? Y, U, D and E. But I need to consider only 3 nodes. Okay, so that's why I consider Y, U and D. Got this? Guys, focus on our algorithm. What algorithm is saying, if it is a skewed tree, make a middle node as root node. Who is middle node? U. So I will make this as a root node. Now focus over here. My root node is C. On this side B. On this side there is A, that's fine. On this side Y. Instead of Y, who will be my root node? U. So I will write down U as my root node. If U is my root node, D is on its left hand side and Y is on its right hand side. बस इतना तो तय है. Now we need to focus on its children. E, its right child of D. So I'll write down over here. It's right child of E. Then X is the right child of U, but there is no space on the right hand side. But I know X is left, that is less than Y and greater than U. So greater than U, that means on right hand side, less than Y, that is on left hand side. So X is over here. Done. फिर कौन बचता है? Z. Z is the right child of Y. Okay. Now check the balancing again. 1, 2, 3 are balanced. This one is balanced. This one is balanced. U. Is it balanced? 2 minus 2. Perfectly balanced. A is balanced. D is balanced. C is balanced. 1, 2. That is 2. Minus 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 equals to minus 1. That is allowed. So this is my AVL tree or height balance tree. Done. Guys, easy था. काफी easy था. You need to just focus on the simple concept. आपको BST पता है? Yes. You can calculate balance factor? Yes. Then if it is a skewed tree, middle one is your root node. If it is not, leaf node is your root node. That's it. So आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा है and how you if you like this approach, kindly let us know also. Okay, because we don't want to get you in a confused state that LL rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation. nahi. Okay, just focus on simple things. Okay. So I hope you got the concept of AVL tree as well as the BST tree. Okay, or height balance BST. Done. Definitely we are not going to stop over here. In the next video we are going to solve another problem in which we are performing insertion as well as deletion operation while creating AVL tree. Okay guys, so guys please let us know that how much you like the video, and really if you like the video and the concept of simplifying the engineering process, guys please hit the like button and share it with your friends and enjoy the engineering. So thanks for joining Engineering Tudes, where engineering made easy. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, kindly log into www.enggtudes.com, where we are trying to make the process of engineering so easy. We are having so much interesting courses on programming, application based programming, or how to create software in the easiest and the perfect way. Okay, so thanks for joining Engineering Tudes, where engineering is made easy.